Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Fal AI. So here we are and we're logged in, and this is the page that you should be seeing. From here, if we go up to the top right hand corner and select the account icon and then select account, this is where you might expect to see the option to delete your account. However, it is not here. And by looking around the site, I found that it is not in any other places here as well. After doing a little bit more digging, I found that you do have the option to get in touch with Fal.ai, and if you do so, then that's going to send an email to support. I looked it up on Google as well, and by doing so, I have found here that it says if you want to cancel your subscription, then you can email them at hello@fal.ai. So either of these is what you're going to want to do. However, here we go. We can also see that under the privacy policy, let's go ahead and just scroll down here a little bit and see what we can find, because it might have some more specifics. Okay. If you do not agree with our policies and practices, please do not use our services. If you still have any questions or concerns, please contact us at support@fal.ai. So one of these two options is going to be what you want to explore. I would say that support@fal.ai seems to be more likely where you're going to want to send a message. But if you by some chance are unable to get a satisfactory response, I expect they might answer your question at the very least. But if you are unable to get the response that you're looking for, then it does appear that you may want to contact them at hello@fal.ai. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.